Guys, in an organization there are many people, okay, probably thousands of people, but how those people are related to each other and to the top management depends upon the structure of that organization. Some organizations have tall structure and some organizations have flat structure. So tall organizations there are many hierarchical levels, okay, like one, two, three. So let's suppose at the top, the person heading the company or organization is a president. Then below him there is a director. Then below him there is a senior manager. Then there is a middle manager, and then there are employees. So in a tall organization there are various levels of hierarchies. In our case, one, two, three, four, and this fifth one. So five hierarchies in our tall organization. Whereas in a flat organization, there are fewer hierarchies. In our case, this is just one and second hierarchy. So it could be president, it could be team manager, and here he has this various people working under the team manager. So in a flat organization there are less hierarchies. Now there are various advantages and disadvantages of each organization. For example, in a tall organization the control is more effective because each manager has less people to report to. For example, this manager is managing only two people, so that will be more effective for him, whereas this manager is reporting four people. So of course that will not be relatively efficient. Whereas in tall organization the disadvantage could be that information and feedback travels very slowly, whereas in flat organization the information from top to down and feedback from down to up flows it flows very fast. Remember that in modern organizations the hierarchies have become less and less, and modern organizations, they are more flat organizations. And because the work is done in teams. For example, if you take Google, okay, or Facebook, they have very flat organizations. People are working in teams. For example, now this is a team of, let's suppose, five people, and they are working with each other, they are sharing the ideas. This is another team of five people, this is another team of five people. So modern organizations are more flatter in nature. Of course, government, when you talk about government organization, they are still taller organizations. There are lots and lots of hierarchies in government organizations. For example, talking about bureaucracy. So tall organizations have different sort of uses, and flat organizations have different sort of uses. But when you talk about multinational companies, they prefer flat organizations. For more videos, do subscribe to Bearbull.